guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Trader Joe's haul. It's been a minute. Actually, I don't even know if it's been that long. My last one was my fall Trader Joe's haul, so I linked it up in the corner if you missed it. I do try to do these like somewhat seasonally because there's lots of new fun stuff and I know you guys love them. So I went today, it's a long story. It's not that long of a story. We went to Chicago. I vlogged that. I can link that up in the corner. But we got back a little over a week ago, and when we got back, it kind of just like threw off our grocery schedule, and we had some things, but I did like a pickup for some other things. Basically, our grocery schedule has kind of been thrown off. Oh, I need to close the window. My neighbors will hear me filming. That's so embarrassing. So anyway, it's boring. But basically, I didn't need like everything, but I did need some produce. And I'm gonna try and work after I film this, gonna reorganize the fridge, clean it out, and really work on a meal plan this week that like helps use up things we have. I'm just trying to say, you'll see some produce, but not nearly as much produce as we normally buy. I didn't need carrots, I didn't need celery, I didn't need lettuce, arugula, herbs, sweet potatoes. There's just some stuff we didn't need, but I did pick up a couple of things because my son is addicted to berries. I have a berry toddler, which I love. He just goes through them so quick. I went to Sprouts 2 days ago and all the berries are gone. All of them. But also, of course, while I was there, they were starting to roll out the Christmas stuff, some of like the later fall stuff, and I picked up some of it, so I thought I would just show you what I got. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first, berries, like I said, I got organic blueberries. These are all of a sudden his new favorite thing. Like, I got the 2 smaller cartons from Sprouts, and he ate through them in 2 days. So he loves these. These are also really easy on the go. You just throw some in a little glass jar. We went out today, and I brought these as a snack. Also some organic raspberries. I got 2 of these. These look incredible, honestly, but now I feel bad like I shouldn't eat them because he wants them, but I can always just go buy more. But these look so good, and all of a sudden, he's always been into strawberries and blackberries, but right now, for some reason, he's really into blueberries and raspberries as well. My Trader Joe's has not had strawberries the last few times I've gone, which is very annoying as we are a huge strawberry household. But they did have blackberries, not organic, which is annoying, but bought them anyway. These ones are huge too. So he stocked up on berries at least for a couple of days. Of course, got some Honeycrisp apples, and the guy checking me out was like 2 of the best apples in the whole world. And I was like, yes, they are, sir. Milo is also having an obsession with pears. If you guys watch my vlogs, you know that we have a pear tree and we harvested it in the middle of September, and so we had a lot of pears to eat through, and Milo was obsessed with them, and so now I just keep buying pears. So these are organic Bartlett pears. I actually got 4 because between the 4 of us, we will eat them all. I wasn't sure what our lemon lime game was, so I didn't buy any. I did buy some. I don't know why I said that. I only bought 2 of each because we will always use these. I bought some organic garlic, some diced onions. It's like cold soup season now, so Soup Sunday is back, which that's pretty self-explanatory. We just have soup on Sundays, and just, I don't know, we make like more heartier dishes with lots of onions. So I was gonna buy 2 bags. Why am I telling the story? Because I didn't buy 2 bags, I only bought 1, but it doesn't matter. I love these diced onions. I'm very weird about raw onions and cutting them, or even if Bradley cuts them in the house and I can smell it. I always say, you know how if you've been pregnant before, how you have food aversions during your pregnancy? I feel like that even not pregnant towards onions. Like I love them cooked, but raw, I can't take it. I gag. So these come in clutch. I am still getting some tomatoes off of my plants, but it definitely has slowed down, especially like the ripening process has slowed. So I picked up some organic sugar plum grape tomatoes. These ones in the black box have been my favorite lately. And then last for produce, I got some organic cremini mushrooms, and then these organic gold potatoes. I saw a TikTok recipe video of, I follow her, I believe it's called Cat Can Cook, Cat with a K. It was, what are they called? Not jacket potatoes. Maybe jacket potatoes. No. Where you cut them with the slits. I'll put it across the screen, but you basically cut small slits into them, you season them really well and bake them. I've had them in the past, I love them. But I've done it with larger potatoes, so when I saw these, I was like, oh, that would be perfect for that recipe, but also Thanksgiving coming up and whatever. We just love potatoes in this house. A couple meat type things. I give Milo this organic, well, I normally get the other turkey breast. Sometimes they don't have any turkey at all, like not even the non-organic stuff. And lately this is all they've had, the hickory smoked turkey breast, but he loves this. He eats it all the time for lunch or snack or whatever. I also thought we would try some string cheese. He loves cheese, so I got some organic string cheese. I'm sure Bradley will love these too, but I don't know, we're kind of entering more into like toddler phase of food, so I thought these would be good for on the go as well. And then 2 of the organic ground turkey packs. I'm out of my freezer meatballs, so I bought 2 of these because the recipe takes 2, and I'll try to make that this week and then stock the freezer back up. If you guys have seen one of these videos in the last like year, you guys know I'm obsessed with the vegan creamy dill dressing. And I always mention it, we make these like sweet potato bowls where we roast sweet potatoes and radishes. We cook chicken with like onions and you mix it all together with a bunch of dill and ranch seasoning, and then I top it with this, and it is so good. It does taste very dill-y, so if you're not into dill, you might not like it, but I think it's fantastic, and it tastes so creamy, it does not taste vegan at all. I'm not vegan, but I still love it. As you can see, we got 3 things of eggs. We get the organic pasture-raised large brown eggs, and look how like dark these are today. Like, I'm very excited about that. And then I don't know if you can see, I got 3 of the organic whole milk from grass-fed cows. This is the kind of milk Milo gets, and he loves it. And I like it too. When I dip my cookies in it, it's delicious. Okay, a couple of Christmassy things. I'm so bummed about this. Excited yet bummed. This is the hot cocoa polar bear. It's a whitened milk chocolate confection filled with milk chocolate drops and marshmallows. And I noticed when I got home, like the little marshmallows are everywhere. So he put it in the bag and it cracked. So I might see if I can return it. I also might not. Like whatever. It is what it is. But literally, how cute is that? Especially if you have kids. Like Milo doesn't care about this year, but next year, hopefully he'll be all over types of stuff like this. And I cannot wait. It's so cute. But the woman in front of me was buying like 3 of them. And I was like, oh, she definitely has 3 kids, 1 for each of them. And it's just so cute. Would be a really cute stocking stuffer too. I bought this last year and really loved it. I also love the packaging. It's the Trader Joe's peppermint foaming hand soap with essential oils. I don't know if you can see through it, but like the back is like little peppermints and it just looks pretty. And it's a nice hand soap. Wait, now thinking about it, is this the one that I hated? I don't remember. There was one that I hated. We'll see. And then this I'm so excited about. During the holidays, they come out with these felted wool things. They had wreaths today. I have one of the trivets and they usually have a different colorway, a few different colorways. Last year I bought the multicolored one and I didn't see this one, but this year I must have snagged it in time. What is happening? But it's just really cute. Just like it's a 6-foot little wool bead garland and I'm so excited about it. I love the just traditional Christmas colors. I also got some fun, cute Christmas cards. Mom, if you're watching, pretend you didn't see this, but I got this for my mother for her birthday. She loves mooses, but it's just beautiful and so cute. And if you didn't know, the Trader Joe's cards are only $1 and they're adorable. Like all of them are illustrated so beautifully. This one just says Merry Christmas. There's a little mug that says Merry and Bright and it's just like a beautiful little Christmas scene. I thought maybe I'd send this to grandma, but I'm always stocking up on cards. I have like a huge, it's actually one of my toxic traits is buying a crap ton of Trader Joe's cards because they're so cute, but never using them. But then when I really need one, they come in clutch. And that's the second time I've said in clutch in this video, in case you were keeping count. We got some fall snacks. So I feel like this usually comes out much earlier, but I couldn't find it until this week. It's the Trader Joe's maple and sea salt kettle popcorn. This stuff is so good. I've bought this for like at least 2 years, so I think it's a couple years old, but it is very, very tasty. Bradley loves it as well, so delighted about that. And then also the Thanksgiving stuffing chips. These are life-changing. In the past, we would find these and then they would be gone at the next week. I literally bought 6 bags of these because Bradley eats them all. I never get any, so I thought I would like prepare and just get a ton so I could hopefully get my hands on some, but they are so good. They literally taste like stuffing. It'll blow your mind. It always reminds me of like Willy Wonka when I mean, it's not a piece of gum, but when she's chewing the gum and she's like, a turkey dinner, and she can like taste the mashed potatoes and everything, like this just tastes like a Thanksgiving dinner. It's so good. I am so excited about these because I love these, the peppermint pretzel slims. They're just like thin pretzel crispy thingies covered in yogurt and then like crushed up candy cane. They are so addicting, so good. But what I love about these is you only need like 2 and then you feel satiated. And they're like refreshing because it's peppermint. Every single one of us in this household, including Ludo, is obsessed with these. It's a sour cream and onion flavored rings. They're made out of lentil and rice. If you're on Weight Watchers, these are fantastic. Like I think you can literally eat the whole bag for 6 points, which is easy to do. But these are the best snack and they come in and out of stock. So I literally have a back stock in our pantry because we love them so much. And I do find that when we open it, it goes within a day because all of us are eating out of it. They're really, really tasty. I don't even like lentils and I like these a lot. So if you see these, try a bag. They're really, really good. But like I said, they come in and out of stock. So sometimes when you want them, they don't have them. So when I saw them, I bought 2 bags. If you've been watching my Trader Joe's hauls for a while, you know Bradley loves his peanut butter filled pretzel nuggets. I find these to be a little bit dry, but I'm also weird about peanut butter. He loves these and the organic corn chip dippers, Trader Joe's versions of Fritos. Those are his 2 snacks of choice. But he texted me while I was there, he's like, can you get me pretzels, please? So I did. I got a bag of super sweet white corn from the frozen section. I don't know why we're doing this, but we're gonna have an early Thanksgiving dinner. We might even do it tonight. And I love creamed corn with Thanksgiving dinner. Or we could just like stock this up in the freezer for Thanksgiving. I love creamed corn. My in-laws have taught us how to make it, and now it's an important part of my Thanksgiving meal. We needed to stock up on some pastas, so I got some spaghetti, some penne, and some rigatoni. We eat a lot of pasta in this house. And then last but not least, we got some English muffins. We are in our English muffin era in this house. Love it, with some butter, some jam. The best in the morning. So I picked up some of those. But that is it, you guys. I spent $146, which is a little much. I also did buy Bradley beer and wine. It's all the way over there. I'm not gonna get it. But I feel like I didn't even get that much, and that's expensive. But I guess I stocked up on some meats, and I buy the most expensive eggs and milk, so shiz adds up. But yeah, guys, that is our grocery haul for this week. A little peek into the winter items that are coming in. I will definitely try to do another one of these next month with more Christmassy items. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more Trader Joe's videos, I have an entire playlist of hauls just like this, some quicker hauls, but just if you're in the mood to binge Trader Joe's videos, I got you covered. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.